3, like that you go on decreasing until it becomes 0. Second term power starts from 0. Second term power starts from 0 and go on increasing 1, 1, 1. Here we have to use law of indices. A power m by a power n can be written as a power m minus n to simplify. First term power decreases. What is first term? 1, 1 power 5, then 1 power 4, 1 power 3, like that. Second term is minus x by 2. Whenever you have minus, you can write plus minus alternates. 1 minus 10x plus 40x square minus 80x cube plus 80x power 4 minus 32x power 5. Or you can write in reverse also. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the problems of binomial theorem. So now expand each of the expression from 1 to 5. So in order to expand power 5, we use binomial theorem. So here we have 1 minus 2x whole power 5. So it starts with power. Power is what? 5. 5c is 0. Then first term is 1. If there is 1, you can leave 1 actually. But for beginning, I'll take 1 power 5. And second term, what is second term? Minus 2x power 0. Then 5c 1. 1 power 4 minus 2x power. See, 1 power decreases, the second term power increases. Then 5c2, 1 cube minus 2x square. Then 5c3, 1 power 2 and minus 2x power 3. So then 5c4, 1 power decreases, it will become 1 power 1 and minus 2x power 4. Then 5c5, 1 power 0 and minus 2x power 4. Logic is simple. First we'll start with nc naught. Here n is 5. 5c naught, then 5c1, then 5c2, then 5c3, then 5c4, 5c5. We'll stop when these two become same. From 0, 5c0, 5c1, 5c2, 5c3, like that. First term power decreases. What is first term? 1 power 5, then 1 power 4, 1 power 3, like that. Then second term minus 2x, power 0, power 1, power 2, like that. Now we'll simplify this. All of you know nc naught is 1. nc naught in maths, nc naught is exactly what? 1. So 5c naught is 1. 1 power 5 is also 1. Anything power 0 is also 1. So first term becomes 1 into 1 into 1. Then 5c1 means 5. Minus 2 power 1 becomes minus. And here very interesting is alternate terms will get minus. So minus into minus 2x. Then 5c2 means from 5 2 terms. 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1. 5c2 means from 5 numerator 2 terms. Go on decreasing 5, 4. Then denominator 2 factorial, that is 2 into 1. And 1 square, 1 cube is 1, leave it. Then minus 2 square, minus becomes plus and 2 square is 4 and x square. Then plus 5c3. 5c3 means from 5 3 terms. 5, 4, 3 divided by 3, 2, 1. And minus 2 cube. Minus 2 cube is minus power 3 becomes minus. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 into what? X cube. Then further 5c4. 5c4 is same as 5c1. All of you know NCR can be written as NC n minus r. So therefore that implies here 5c4 is same as 5c1. 5c1 means just 5. So 5c4 becomes 1. 5c1 is 5. 5c4 is same as 5c1. 5c1 value becomes 5. 1 power anything is 1. Then minus 2 power even number becomes plus 2. Plus 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is 32. 16. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16 into x power 4. Then I am left out with last term, that is 5c5 plus, I'll write here, 5c5 is 1. If both are same, answer is 1. 1 power 0 is 1. And minus 2 power 4 becomes, here power is what? 5. The power should increase. Power 3, power 4, power 5. Minus power odd number becomes minus, and 2 power 5 is 32. Minus 32 into x power 5. Now we need to simplify this. Here if you simplify the first term, 1 into 1 into 1, the first term is 1. Then plus 5 into minus 2 is 10, minus 10. Then x is there, so minus 10x. Then if you see 2 ones are 2 twos are cancels, 5 twos are 10, 10 fours are 40x square, positive 40x square plus 40x square. Then 3 terms are done. Fourth term. So here 3 cancels, 2 ones are 2 twos are 5 twos are 10, 10 eights are 80, plus into minus minus, minus 80x cube, minus 80x cube. Then here 5 into 1, 5 into 16, 16 5 is 80, 80x power 4 plus 80x power 4. Then plus into minus minus, minus, here 32x power 5, 32x power 5. So here you can observe the values. We'll simplify. See here we have the third term, that is 5c3, 5c3 value, 5c2 and 5c3, 5c3 and 5c2 both are same. So same we'll get. So here one thing you can observe, plus minus alternates. 1 minus 10x plus 40x square minus 80x cube plus 80x power 4 minus 32x power 5. Or you can write in reverse also. So or we can also write from higher degree to lower degree, that is minus 32x power 5, then plus 80x power 4 minus 80x cube plus 40x square minus 10x plus 1. Now expand this using binomial theorem. What is n? 5. So answer is starts with 5c0. First term is 2 by x power 5. Second term is minus x by 2. Whenever you have minus, you can write plus minus alternates. Minus x by 2 power 0. The next 5c1. So first term power decreases. So earlier we took power 5. Now it will become power 4. Second term power increases. Minus x by 2. Earlier power 0. Now it will become 1. 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Then see, then first term 5c2. First term 2 by x power decreases 3. Second term minus x by 2 power increases, that is 2. Then 5c3 2 by x whole power 2 and minus x by 2 whole cube. Then 5c4 first term. What is the first term? 2 by x power should decrease, it will become 1. And second term minus x by 4 minus x by 2, sorry, power should increase. Earlier it is 3, now it is 4. 5c5, this is the last term, and 2 by x power 0, this will become 0 and this will become power 5. Here we'll stop. So expansion is easy. So first we'll take what? 5c0, then 5c1, then 5c2, then 5c3, then so until 5c5, till these two becomes equal, go on increasing. Then first term power 2 by x power, take the highest power 5, then you go on decreasing, 2 by x power 4, then 2 by x power 3, like that you go on decreasing until it becomes 0. Second term power start from 0, second term power starts from 0 and go on increasing 1, 1, 1. That's it. Now usual values will substitute. All of you know nc0 is 1, so 5c0 is 1, and 2 power 5 becomes 32 x power 5. All of you know anything power 0 is 1, leave it, plus 5c1 is just 5, and 2 power 4 is 16 divided by x power 4. Then minus power odd number is minus, and minus x by 2 it will become. Then 5c2 is 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1, 2 terms, 2 cube is 8 divided by x cube, minus power even number becomes plus x square by 4. Then 5c3 is 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 3 into 2 into 1, and 2 square is 4 divided by x square, minus the whole cube becomes minus x cube divided by 2 cube is 8. Then next term we have 5c4, 5c4 is same as 5c1, that is 5, 2 by x into minus power even number becomes plus, and it will become x power 4 divided by 2 power 4, 2 power 4 is 16, Then 5c5 is 1. Anything power 0 is 1. Power, it will become negative x power 5 divided by 2 power 5 is 32. Now we need to simplify this. The first term 32 by x power 5, it will be as it is 32 by x power 5. Then second term 16 into 5. 16 5 is a first term is positive, plus into minus minus. So if we can simplify further, 2 1s are 2 8s are, so 8 5 is a 40, and x, see here x power is there, x and it will become x cube, plus into minus becomes minus 8 5 is a 40, so it will become minus 40 by x cube, minus 40 by x cube. Then we have 2 1s are 2 2s are cancels, 5 2s are 10, 10 8s are 80, and 4 1s are 4 2s are I can cancel, 2 2s are 4, 5s are 20, so I can write 20 plus 20, and x power, x square and x cube becomes by x. This square and this cancels, by x will have law of indices, by x. Then so here I can cancel 3, here I can cancel 3, 2 1s are 2 2s are, so 5 2s are 10, 10 4s are 40, and plus into minus minus, minus are here again 4 1s are 4 2s are, again 2 2 cancels, so we are left out with 5 in numerator, all other terms cancelled. So 5 4 3 we had, so 3 3 cancels, 2 1s are 2 2s are, and again 2 4s are 8 and 8 cancelled, so plus into minus is minus 5 x it will be, so plus into minus is minus 5 x, minus 5 x. Then 5 into, this is 5 into 2 1s are 2 8s are, and here x and x cube, so we are left out with 5 by 8 x cube, 5 by 8 x cube, and this is negative, then positive 5 by 8 x cube, sorry, 5 by 8 x cube positive, and this is x actually, 5 by 8 x cube. This term becomes plus into minus minus 5x cube, and x cube and x square I can cancel x square and this, so it will become 5x minus 5x, sorry, first we'll have minus 5x, minus 5x, then we have this, it will become x cube plus 5 by 8 x cube plus 5 by 8 x cube, then this x power 5 plus into minus is minus x power 5 32, minus x power 5 by 32. You can leave it here. Alternate terms should be positive negative, positive negative, positive negative. If in between if you have minus, alternate terms will have positive and negative. Same logic you can apply for this. So now here power is 6, so start from 6c0, then we'll have 6c1, then we'll have 6c2, then we'll have 6c3, then we'll have 6c4, then we'll have 6c5, then we'll have the last term, that is 6c6. And first term power 2x power goes on decreasing, 2x power 6, then 2x power 5, then 2x power 4, then 2x power 3, then 2x power 2, then 2x power 1. Finally it should become 0, and second term power goes on increasing, second term minus 3, minus 3 power 6, minus 3 power 5, minus 3 start from power 0, my second term start from what, power 0, second term start from power 0, then 1, then minus 3 power 2, minus 3 power 3, minus 3 power 4, minus 3 power 5, minus 3 power 6. Now simplify this. NC naught is 1, so this is 1. 2 power 6, 2 power 6, 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 2s are 16 2s are 32 2s are 16 2s are 32 2s are 64. So 2 power 6 is 64. X power 6, anything power 0 is 1, leave it. 61 is 6, and 2 power 5 is 32, and x power 5, and 3 power minus 3 is minus 3. 62 means 6 into 2 terms, 6 5 divided by 2 1, and 2 power 4 is 16, x power 4, minus 3 square becomes plus 9. 63 means 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 3 into 2 into 1, and 2 cube is 8, x cube as it is, minus 3 cube is minus 27. 64 is same as 61, it is 6. Sorry, 64 is 62, that is 60. See, 64 can be written as 6c, 6 minus 4, that is 62. 62 means 6 5 divided by 2 into 1. Then 2 square is 4, x square, minus 3 power 4 is 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, 3 is 81. Positive. Then 65 is same as 61, that is 6. 2x, 6 into 2x minus power, odd number is minus 3 power 5, 81 into 3, 8 3s are 24, 243 minus 243, and 66 is 1, and 2 power 0, anything power 0 is 1, and minus 3 power even number becomes plus 3. So that will become 3 power 6. 3 power 6 means 243 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. 729. So now we need to simplify this. The first term is 64 x power 6. Next, plus into minus becomes minus. Multiply this carefully. So we have 3 2s are 6. 6 into 6, 3 3 is 9, 6 into 96, 6 6 is 30, 6 3, 9 6 is 54, 54 plus 3, 57, 576, x power 5, 2 1s are 2 3s are, that is 15, and 16 5s are 80, 80 into 3, 80 into 3, 240, 240 into 9 we have, 240 into 9, that is, you can use calculators. Here we have 5 3s are 15. 15 into 6 gives you, 16 into 5, 80, 83 is 83 is 240, 240 into 9, 0, 9 4s are 36, 3, 9 2 is 18, 18 plus 3, 21, 2160, 2160 it is. X power 4, then 3 2s are 6 and 6 cancels. Plus into minus becomes minus. Or see, here whenever the expansions are lengthy, you can leave it in terms of this. So the best method of writing this is, you can write 6 is 0 and 2 power 6, 2 power 2x power 6, then minus per odd number is minus, so it will be minus 6c1 3 2 power 5, that is 2 power 5, 32x, or leave it as it is. So according to me, if you leave it here, it will be better, or you can use calculator to calculate, they'll give full marks. But here overall is what, how to expand this binomially. Now okay, further if you simplify, 2160, then x power 4, then 6 6 cancels, so plus into minus is minus, 5 4s are 20, 20 into 8, 160, 160 into minus 27. So multiply this and write its value. 2 1s are 2, 3s are 3 5s are 15. So like that you can go on multiplying further, use calculators and simplify, and binomial expansion. All other fourth problem and fifth problem and sixth problem, all the problems are similar. But here we have to use law of indices. A power m by a power n can be written as a power m minus n to simplify. So this is the binomial expansion. So I've done first two problems completely. Third problem I'm guiding you. Fourth, fifth, sixth are similar. So same method you have to apply and get the answer. What is the method? If you have a plus b power n or minus whatever, start with NC naught. and NC1 and NC2 and so on till where NCN, till both becomes equal, you go on writing. Then first term power, you start with n, then go on decreasing 1 1, a power n minus 1, a power n minus 2. Suppose power is, see here power is 5 power 4, like that you go on expanding and you write its value. So all other problems, so same here also. So 6C0 you start and end at what? 6C6. And the first term power x power 6 you take, it ends with x power 0. And second term 1 by x power 0 you start and end with 1 by x power n. N is what? 6. So like that each term. Next term will be what? 6C1. Next term will be what? 6C2. Like that all the terms you have to write and expand. So it's a direct binomial expansion. What I expect from you people is sit and practice all the binomial expansions and solve all 5 problems. Thanks for attending. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.